Understanding the phrase, artist. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the term, artist. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what it means and how to use it in various contexts. An artist is a person who creates art. This could be through painting, drawing, sculpting, or any other form of visual or performing art. The term can encompass a wide range of individuals, from someone who sketches in their spare time to someone who has their artwork displayed in famous galleries. 1. Visual artists. These are people who create visual art forms like paintings, sculptures, and drawings. Famous examples include Vincent van Gogh and Frida Kahlo. 2. Performing artists. These artists perform in front of an audience. They could be dancers, actors, or musicians. Beyoncé, for instance, is a performing artist known for her singing and dancing. 3. Literary artists. They create through words, either as poets, novelists, or playwrights. Think of William Shakespeare or J.K. Rowling. 4. Digital artists. In the modern age, many artists use digital tools like computers and tablets to create art. This category includes graphic designers, animators, and digital painters. The term, artist, is not limited to just professional settings. Anyone with a passion and skill for creating something beautiful, thought-provoking, or expressive can be considered an artist. So if you love to draw sketches at home, write songs for fun, or dance when you're happy, you're expressing yourself artistically. 1. My sister is a talented artist. Her paintings are so lifelike. 2. The city is filled with street artists showcasing their skills. 3. He's not just a singer. He's a true artist who writes his own songs and designs his own album covers. And there you have it. Whether professional or amateur, anyone who creates and expresses themselves through any medium can be termed an artist. We hope this video has given you a clearer picture of what an artist is. Remember, art is subjective, and so is the title of artist. Express yourself, and who knows, you might just be the next great artist of your generation.